Hi, once again, I'm back, Kaushik Chatterjee. In this video, again, we are going to discuss a same series, how to make money. And here we are going to discuss, especially people who are actually working and let's say for any XYZ company, even though you are a private employee also. So for you, even your PF, EPF, especially for Employee Provident Fund, I think most of people, even you have a contribution towards your salary. Even typically the employee provident fund, how it works, the similar contribution whatever you are paying, so maybe your employer also is paying the similar contribution, and that is how your PF account is giving you a corpus, how long you are in the service at the age of 60 when you are getting the retirement, and based on that one even your pension also it will be decided. So this is how typically the PF account, and this is how the PF actually works even for each and every employee, or let's say somebody is already in the job, those kind of people even I'm just talking. Now here, what is the difference, how you're going to make money by your PF account, especially somebody is working or employee. Now here the two parts, what exactly I've just told you. So here one part which is your contribution, depends on your percentage, what exactly your basic salary, based on that one even I'm just talking about India, so new even level law also came. So based on that one the contribution now it is increased, I mean your basic pay already it is increased, so based on that one again your contribution, that is your employee contribution, it is already been increased. Similarly your PF account also getting increased. But here I'm just talking about your contribution. Just concentrate on your contribution, means employee contribution, not the employer contribution, which you can actually increase. So let's say I'm just giving a typical example. 10,000, let's say I'm putting towards my PF account. This is my contribution. So I'm not talking about the employer contribution. So that is the similar amount. Already we know the calculation. But I'm just talking about my contribution, let's say, towards my PF account. It is 10,000. Now I want to increase this 10,000, let's say, from 10,000 to 20,000. Just as an example, I'm just telling, because there will be a lot of other clauses also. So that I'm not coming here, I'll just come later. So let's say I want to increase for my 10,000 to 20,000. Can I do this? The answer is yes. Now, if I do this, the point number two, it will come automatically to your mind. Then what are the benefits I'm going to get? Because always we have the thought like, if I'm going to pay more, am I going to get the more benefit? Yes. The more benefit is, while putting 10,000, whatever corpus you're going to make it, definitely if you're increasing 20,000, so the first thing you are going to make your corpus even double. That is the first benefit. Second benefit. Now, why exactly in PF account only I need to do this? I can do for even my FD also. I can do for my any kind of RD also. You can do this. But why I'm choosing this PF account, especially for people who are already in service, already an employee? Because these are mandatory things. Probably your RD, probably your FD could be a choice for you. But here it is not a choice, it is mandatory. Each and every month, while paying your salary, it is getting deducted. So means it will be your a disciplined kind of investment. You don't need to think, you don't need to plan, but it is automatically planned. And based on that one, it will be automated to invest even towards the fund. Point number two. Point number three. If you compare, even compared to FD, even compared to RD, even as on today's rate, if I look out, even somebody is a banker might be watching for this video also, they will be knowing even the rate of interest today. So if you compare even that way, so PF interest is little bit high from your these two tools. So again, I'm just mentioning, I'm not here to promote any kind of tool, any kind of product. This is just a comparison I'm just trying to show over here. And people who are staying in India, who are actually working, they will be knowing that what exactly the PF, under what condition it works, what is the rate of interest, what exactly rate of interest already you have received. So these are the three unique benefits you are going to get. Your regular even investment, that is your disciplined investment. The more I invest, the more corpus I can create. Yes, when I need, even I can withdraw also even that corpus. That is also another point, because as you already have discussed some other video, your emergency fund. So emergency fund also you can create even through your PF account, because as you know, even somebody watching, even somebody HR also, they'll be knowing better. So employee contribution, whatever it is, they are based on that one. You can also take out even as your emergency fund also. So the more fund if I create, the more even emergency fund also I'm just creating through my PF account. Plus the rate of interest. So more invested, the more even rate of interest. So that also even creating even more corpus for myself. What else you want even as an investor? So you make these checkpoints. Typically all the investors, even whatever xyz investing you are doing, whatever market related, whatever even government scheme related, whatever even any other banking products or any other financial products, these three things are always even in your mind. And the final and foremost thing, most of the people even now they would be questioning, so the similarly employer also will increase this fund. The answer is no. That is conditionable. Based on the condition, there will be a lot of other formulas that you can talk to your even organization, whatever organization you are working. But no, if I increase my own contribution, it doesn't mean that employer also will increase their contribution to match those. No, this is not the answer. Answer is no. Now another important point of what I already told you, I'll just tell you later on your pension part. So as you know, even a couple of companies, even you might be knowing, whatever employer contribution in that, there will be certain percentage, it will be towards your PF account, and certain percentage it will be towards your, depends again, 2.37, 8.33, like this. There will be a lot of calculation. So that will be given to your pension fund. Now if I want to even increase my, even let's say my own contribution, so is my pension fund is getting increased? The answer is no. So these three things I just want to clear. So when I'm going to increase my own even contribution only for the employee contribution, employer contribution also it will be not match, and your pension contribution also it will not be match, because pension contribution it is only match based on what is the tenure you are working, and based on what exactly your entire even calculation, based on that one your pension will be declared. But why I need to increase? As I already told you, yes, these are the 3 points. Even if you look out, ultimately, any other even tools also if you use. But yes, here all three I'm going to get it in one plan itself, and that will be a regular investment. So I don't need to separately save. I don't need to separately invest. It is automatically in an automated way. It is happening. The moment I receive my salary, the moment I'm increasing my fund, and the moment I'm increasing my more even rate of interest, and the moment even I'm also increasing my corpus, even for my emergency corpus, even when I'm going to take the retirement. Sounds good? Any more questions, any more doubt? Always I'm welcome to my chat box, to my mailbox. Just waiting for all your queries, because whatever so far, even all these videos, if you look out, even from the beginning, if I look out, I'm here only to discuss what exactly I have already grabbed in my regular even, let's say, working life. Already I have already solved even some of the cases, some of the case studies. That only I'm just focusing over here. Maybe you need some individual suggestion, you need maybe some individual plan for yourself. Yes, you have your financial planner, you have your all even advisors, financial advisors. But yes, through this video, if you want to discuss additionally something, you can directly connect me, you can directly even contact me through my chat box, through my mailbox. But yes, I'm not here to promote any kind of service or any kind of product. Thanks. Thanks for watching.